What if the most valuable currency in society isn't money, but trust? Social trust is the invisible glue that holds communities together. You don't see it, but you feel it. It's the reason you stop at a red light at 2 a.m., trust a doctor's diagnosis, or believe a contract will be honored. Without trust, society slows down. With trust, it flourishes. In classical sociology, Émile Durkheim argued that social order depends on shared norms and moral regulation. When people believe others will follow the same rules, cooperation becomes possible. Trust is rooted in collective conscience. Later, Max Weber connected trust to rational systems and institutions. Bureaucracy, law, and contracts reduce uncertainty. We don't personally know everyone, but we trust the system. In the 20th century, Niklas Luhmann described trust as a mechanism for reducing complexity. Modern life is overwhelming. Trust allows us to function without verifying everything. It is a leap of faith in social structures. Contemporary scholar Robert D. Putnam showed that societies with high social capital, networks, civic engagement, participation, experience stronger economies, safer neighborhoods, and more stable democracies. Where people join associations and volunteer, trust grows. Where isolation increases, trust declines. Centuries earlier, Ibn Khaldun observed that strong asabiyyah, group solidarity, creates loyalty and mutual reliance. When solidarity weakens, fragmentation follows. Trust is not only emotional, it is structural. Think of everyday examples. In high-trust societies, businesses require fewer security measures. Public spaces remain open, corruption is low. In low-trust environments, contracts become longer, surveillance increases, and fear shapes interaction. The paradox is this: trust requires vulnerability, but without vulnerability, trust never forms. Too little trust leads to suspicion and division. Blind trust invites exploitation. A strong society balances accountability with confidence, transparency with faith. So the real question is not, can I trust others? The deeper question is, what kind of society are we building through our everyday actions? If this made you rethink the invisible forces shaping your world, subscribe and join this channel where we unpack the sociology behind the systems you live in, one idea at a time.